A number of interesting things taking place here in the stock market. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Tuesday. It's April 14th, 2015. And take a look here. We have the S&P up 0.2%. We have the Dow up 0.3%. Nice rally there. However, NASDAQ down 0.3%. Small caps at break even. Banks down 0.6%. Gold down the same. And silver down the same. So a mixed market here. And let's take a very close look at this. Now, at the end of this, I'm going to share with you some trades that I'm in. Just, to show you some trades that I'm in. All right, let's take a look here at the spider. This is the ETF called the SPY or the SPY. And you'll notice that we had this big symmetrical triangle with the two red lines. We did break out of that. We stall at this previous swing high, acting as resistance. Today we dropped down, tagged the rising 20-day simple moving average. We rallied back, and this is a good sign. Now, what this is showing me as a technician is that this line that was serving as resistance, so resistance and we dropped, price action hit this resistance line, we dropped, resistance broken, now is serving as support to the price action here. So that is relatively strong in my eyes. This is telling me that we did not immediately come back into the triangle, which would give us a jab, and that would be, or even a death hook, that would be very, very damaging to the markets, and we didn't get that. So we're staying buoyant, and this is very good sign that we could see more upside potential here. If you look here at the Dow went down, challenged the same 20-day moving average, and it dropped below the trend line just like the S&P, but we rallied back higher, building kind of a high base. If you look here at the NASDAQ hit resistance and has since dropped, so we're still within the confines of this triangle. But what's interesting here is we dropped down, went below the 20-day moving average, but on that weakness buyers came in and bought it straight back higher. So this is telling me that instead of being a big red candlestick like it was going to continue downward, just like you see here or even here, this rallied back. Most of this candlestick is bullish, much larger lower shadow than higher shadow. So this could be ready to break out to the upside. Now small caps, Russell's 2000, we went down, challenged the 20-day moving average, rallied right back, building this base. Very interesting to see. So again, pretty bullish candlestick, even though we ended in bearish territory. Banks, very important to me. We had this triangle. I said watch for a big pop or a drop. We got the pop. Boom, to the upside. But look where it hit resistance. And we were talking about that. I said that area could act as big time resistance. And why? Because the previous swing high coming across, and also this trend line that we have built here. So we have support, coming up support, resistance. So for the banks to really get solid, we need to blast through that. Today we didn't get that. We got an inside trading candlestick as far as the bodies are concerned, giving us kind of what's called a bearish harami. However, it's technically not that because we have a big lower shadow going down and up. This is just a side step, sideways motion with a lower high and a lower low. If the markets are going to get bullish, the banks need to blast through all of this. We need to see a sizable move to the upside. I think we have a decent chance of that happening. Now gold, a lot of choppiness going sideways here. Silver, big drop, big bull flag. So I would be looking for upside potential here, especially if the markets start to soften instead of going bullish. So it's something to watch for. Now, as promised, told you I would share with you a couple trades that I'm in here. Let's talk about BABA. It's a tech stock. This had a triple bottom, and I've since removed the trend line, but let me put this trend line back in here, coming across. Here it is, support, boom, support, boom, support, boom. There's your triple bottom. coming across. Now with that triple bottom, I made a purchase on a bounce here, boom, to the upside. So I was long this. Well, here, let me actually show you. If I click here on the little light bulb, you'll see the little triangle. Now it's triangle on mine because it just denotes that I'm the one that put this in. So I called a buy here and we went higher. I called a buy here, went higher. Now since pulled back, I'm calling another buy on BABA right here, hammer time at a support level. So we have an area here, nice bull pullback. We have a hammer also with a bullish harami reversal pattern. And on a bounce here, I would be looking for a confirmation bounce and a purchase on BABA. Looking pretty good. FET. This one I've been long for a while on this one. Nice rally, and sold it on this pullback. Had a trailing stop, but today I reloaded the trade because I liked what I was seeing. GoPro. This one I called a buy down here. It has since gone higher, 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 higher. Yesterday we get what's called a bearish engulfing pattern. Sold most of my GoPro, if not all of it, I think. Today we dropped and rallied back, and I reloaded my position. I like what I'm seeing. Stay above these moving averages and I'm happy. Look at the trend that it's in. It's nice uptrend. So very strong. And let's show you YY. And these are the trades I'm in right now. YY, I did 3 buys. So I said here, buy, boom. Here, buy, boom. A bull pullback. And now you have what's called a bullish thrusting pattern. I see another pop here. So anything over, it looks like, what, $62? Anything over $62 could be a nice trade right there. Looking for that confirmation. And quick look at some tech stocks. Anything of big interest. LinkedIn was down 2%. Big drop there on LinkedIn. And any other movers or shakers? Google down 1.6%. Big drop here. In trouble. So that one might have a little support coming in soon, but best thing I could hope for here is a double bottom, but bad volume on that down candlestick. Not so grand. If you go to the website, free online trading education, trading videos, it's here. This is actually my trading desk. I'm actually doing this video off of that mic. I have 4 monitors. I think they're 23-inch monitors if I remember right, and that surround my desk. And actually got that little sculpture from off of Wall Street, downtown New York. And the glasses that I wear that I recently broke. And here are the videos, one from Mark, one from me. Mark does them periodically from day to day, talking about his day trades that he's in, and I do them every day here in the broad markets. So make sure you check out the chart school and that you check out Grok Trade itself for the services. We have a mentorship coming up that you want to get plugged into. Here's your chance to do so. Yeah, Grok Trade. If you want to know about mentoring, click on the 301 mentoring right here, and you'll be ready to go. So that's what is up. We'll catch up with you guys later.